Alright, here's an update on my 1969 Chevy pickup. I've got the some epoxy primer on the whole front end. Managed to get the panels adjusted a little better. I had to shim the front of the cab up a little bit to get my gaps right. Working on front bumper. I got a bumper from a 71 or 72 Chevy, and I've cut some holes in it for some lights and welded on some mounting tabs to hook the lights to. Got it all stripped down, getting ready to hit it with some epoxy too. Got the cowl vent, got it stripped down. Put some epoxy on it too. Right now I'm working on my back bumper. I took two bumpers to make one because this one bumper wasn't wide enough. It was about 3 inches shy, so I took another bumper and cut the end off of both of them. Cut the end off of the one bumper a little bit longer than the other to make up the difference, and welded it on there. I'm getting ready to grind it down and take all the chrome and the paint off of it so I can epoxy it. Got a few holes to weld up. Had to do some damage repair here in the front.